Hi Sarah, how are you?
Mm. Hi, Manuel. I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine. I have been eating a lot and a lot of different things, and I really don't know what to eat next.
I have an idea. Maybe you can cook something traditional of Chiapas. I think
That
that can be interesting.
that will be nice, and you can cook something traditional from Oaxaca too, so we can
Yes,
taste the flavor of the place from the other person. I will love that.
yes, I love the idea. I have in mind something easy for you. I
I
don't
hear
know
it.
if have you tasted the chalupas, coletas?
I haven't. I have heard about the chalupas, but I have never eaten the chalupa coleta. I really interested
Mm.
about this.
Yes, I can
And
send you. I can send you the recipe and maybe you can cook it.
I would love to do that. And for you, I think that molotes de plátano will be really, really nice. They are from a part of Oaxaca that is called Istmo, and I think you really, really like them.
Oh yes.
I
Yes, I
can send you the
haven't.
recipe.
Oh, thank you. Yes, because I haven't heard about that. Yes.
So let's cook them tomorrow, and after that we return here and talk about how it went.
Yes, I I think that it will be an excited idea.
Of course. See you.
See you. Hi guys, I'm Sarah and welcome to this video. As you know, I'm from Chiapas, but in Ichthus school, recently we met some friends from Oaxaca from the INLUSA school. And yesterday I was talking to one of them, his name is Emmanuel, and we were talking about the traditional food. And I said to him that I have never tasted one of their food, and he said me the same, but in the case of Chiapas. So we get to the conclusion that it could be interesting prepare something different. In my case, something from Oaxaca, and in his case, something from Chiapas. So in this video, I'm gonna prepare a easy recipe because I'm not so good cooking. And this recipe is called molotes de plátano. So let's see the video. For this recipe, we will need bananas, cheese, and white flour. And we will start to chop the bananas. I'm gonna chop it in three parts to after put it to boil. And all the bananas I'm gonna put in this recipe. After that, we need to wash the bananas, and after we wanna put it with more water to boil. We place them in a dish with water and let them boil for 20 minutes. After, we remove the water. Once they are cold, we start to peel them. After, we're gonna smash the bananas with a ladle to have a banana stuff. When we have the dough, we're gonna take a portion with our hands, and in the middle we're gonna add a little portion of string cheese to after have a molote. Once we have the molote, we're going to pass it through white flour. Finally, we're gonna fry the molotes with very careful to don't get burned. And this is the final result of the molotes de plátano. If you want, you can add cream and more cheese if you like. Guys, so this is the result of the molotes de plátano. It was easy to do because the main ingredients were just two. And well, let's try how it tastes. This is really delicious. It has like two flavors. It's sweet but salty at the same time. So I think that it's so interesting. Thank you, Oaxaca, to give us this amazing molotes de plátano.
So I'm here to do the recipe that Sarah gave me. They are called Chalupa Coletta, and they're really simple, and I think that you might really like it if you try to do it. So the recipe is very simple. It's a kind of tostada that has some really not common ingredients for a tostada. So first off, you have the tostada, and in the upper part you put frijoles and beans, fried beans. After that, you put some lettuce. You need to really make it in small pieces, and after that you put beetroot and carrots in little pieces also. And after that, on the top you have to put the meat. This is the only difficult part of the recipe because you have to boil the meat for at least 20 minutes with salt and other spices. It really isn't that difficult. Preferably it should be pork meat. If you don't want to use pork meat, you can also use other kinds of meat. I think it doesn't make that much of a difference. After that, you assemble it all together, and the result is really good. So it was really good, the chalupa. I think that I may want to do this activity more often to taste new flavors of other parts of Mexico. I hope that Sarah enjoyed as much as I enjoy the chalupas, the molotes. Let's see what she says tomorrow. Hi Sarah, how was the food yesterday?
Hi Manuel, the food was really delicious. What about you?
I really like the chalupas. It was a really nice spin on how I normally eat things, so I really like them.
Yes, me too. I like the molotes de plátano because it's like a combination of salty and sweet food. Because in the case of the bananas are like sweet and the cheese is salty, so it was really interesting and delicious.
Yes, that's why I like them too. I really like them exactly for that reason. The combination is really nice, and so I hope that we can do this more times in the future. It was a really nice experience.
Yes, I think the same. It was a great experience. Yes.
So I hope we can see each other more often, and see you later.
See you. Bye.
Bye.